Hello and welcome to this lesson. So I want to say congratulations on reaching this far. So I know that you have taken your time, you have studied everything that you have outlined in this course. So I just wanted to outline the next steps that you want to take after completing this tutorial. So essentially you want to go to my website, which is pipstak.com, and then you go and enroll on the complete course, on the complete forex trading course. So if you go to my website, we have different types of plans. So we have, this is the course you have just taken, and then we have a swing trading strategy. So we have different types of strategies. We also have the complete forex trading course and strategy. So this is the one you want to go and now enroll in. So essentially you can click here to view the course, or even if you go to the courses tab, you will find that there are various courses here. Some are strategy courses. You want to scroll and find what we are calling the complete forex trading course and strategies. So when you click on that, it will give you more details about this course and the strategies included. So you can read through everything and see what is included in this course. So this is everything that is included, and in this course essentially you learn everything that you need to become a successful trader. So after taking your time and seeing that these concepts work, you can now go deeper into now this complete course to learn everything that you need to know now to become a successful forex trader. So in this page, actually in this lesson, I've included an offer for this course. It is exclusively for this lesson, and it is not found anywhere else. So it is exclusively only on this page. It's a one-time offer. So instead of the original price of $4.99, or rather even the offer on the website at $1.99, I'm offering you at $49.99, and I'll include the link actually in the description so that you can find it easily. I'll insert the links actually to this offer in the description. So go check out in the link description and you'll see it. And then another thing you want to do is also go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, because this is my community where I'll be posting updates and chart analysis so that you can continue learning on live events in the markets. So thank you so much.